Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford Explorer hood. First, locate the primary hood release inside your vehicle. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, usually positioned on the lower left side of the dashboard, often below the steering wheel. It's designed for easy access and will have a clear icon of a car hood to help you identify it quickly. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the first latch mechanism. Once you've pulled the interior release, you'll notice the hood slightly pops up, creating a small gap. Now, move to the front of your Ford Explorer. Carefully reach into this gap, looking for the secondary safety latch. This is a crucial safety feature, often a small lever or tab located near the center or slightly to one side. Push or pull this mechanism to completely disengage the hood's locking system, allowing it to open fully. After releasing both the primary and secondary latches, you can now gently lift the hood of your Ford Explorer. It should open smoothly with minimal effort. Next, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is typically found clipped into place near the front of the engine bay, often on the driver's side. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood, ensuring it's firmly seated for safety. When working under the hood, safety is paramount. Always ensure your Ford Explorer is parked on a flat, stable surface to prevent any unexpected movement. It's also wise to turn off the engine and allow it to cool down for at least 15 minutes before opening the hood, as engine components can become extremely hot. Exercise caution around all parts and never force the hood if it resists opening, as there might be an obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.